Wash in 2D automatic wire bending machine straightening, bending, cutting. First, the wire passes through precision straightening rollers. Multi-roller design presses the wire from every direction. No more kinks, no more curls, just dead straight wire, ready for bending. 90 degrees. U bend, rectangle, even a zigzag pattern. The machine handles any 2D shape you need. And here's the best part, no spring back. The CNC compensates for the wire's natural memory. What you program is what you get. First piece, right piece. Last step, cutting. The machine cuts the wire to your exact length. No burrs, no secondary deburring, just a finished part, ready to use. From coiled wire to finished part, seconds, not minutes. 4 to 5 times faster than traditional methods.